Okay, here we go with our next demonstration. We're going to talk about the dusting mitt and the other dusting products that Norwex has to offer. All you need is this mitt. It slides on your hand, slide on. You got two surfaces full of microfiber. Remember, grab and trap. Normally, I'm going to show you how this works. Normally when we dust, we use pledge and then we use a cotton cloth. But what's the adage? You dust first and then you vacuum because the dust is going to hit the floor. Well, let me show you that with the Norwex microfiber dusting mitt, it does not hit the floor. It grabs and traps onto the cloth. So you can dust and know that it's not going to hit the floor. When it's this dusty, you would take either this rubber brush that Norwex has, or you can just take your hand. You're going to knock it off into a trash can. You have a clean surface. Again, it's got obviously still got a little dust on it, but then if it gets too dusty, you're going to flip it to your other hand. You have another surface you keep dusting. So anywhere you are, it's not going to hit the floor. It's going to grab it and trap it onto the cloth. See these little dirt particles? It's all on the cloth. So dusting, super simple and fast, super fast. Now another thing that you can dust with that takes it a little step further is the Enviro one. Now this is a cool little thing because it bends to whatever surface you need it to clean. If you need to clean a ceiling fan, you can bend it to fit your blade. If you need to clean the top of a bookcase, let's say it's way up high, you can hold it here and run it along the top of a bookshelf. If you need it flat to get under a stove or a refrigerator or a couch or a bookcase, then you would slide it under, and again, it's going to grab and trap. But let me tell you one of the coolest things I just learned about the Enviro one. It can clean the lint out of your dryer. So let's take a look. We're going to take this out here. Got some lint on here, but I've got a lot of lint down in my chute. I'm going to slide it in, move it around. What you're going to see is that it grabs and traps. You see all these little balls of lint has grabbed and trapped. So it's not going to go all over the place, and I'm just going to come here. I can either knock it off with my hand into a trash can, and then I can keep dusting. If I want to use this, I can get it nice and clean. The benefit to using your hand or the rubber brush is that there's no need to wash it immediately. So I get, the excess dust off of the surface, and then it's just whenever I'm ready to dust again, you go again. So again, the microfiber grabs and traps. Cotton shifts it around. It's not able to grab and trap. So your dusting is actually effective. When you're doing the job, it's actually getting the surface clean and you're not working against yourself. So one of my absolute favorite products, the dusting mitt and the Enviro one.